bitch, your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the like none. Pity, I don't think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitch you like is my son.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And ignore my hook, but we're going to start off with an easy and beginner-friendly tutorial. We're just going to make a little pouch. I know there's a lot of new crocheters and a lot of people that just want to practice their stitching, so this can be a good and great tutorial for you to practice and have a little pouch. So first thing we're going to do is make a magic circle. One second. Okay guys, so without further ado, we're going to make a magic circle. Or you can chain 4 and then slip stitch and work into the space. We're going to chain 2 and we're going to put 12 half double crochets. So the chain 2 acted as your first half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you hear noise, that's my child banging on her toy. It's nothing I can do about it right now. So let's count. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more is 12. So all you're gonna do is just pull your circle tight, and then you're gonna go into your first half double crochet, which would be the chain 2, to the top of the chain 2. And you're going to chain 1. So now you're just going to put 2 half double crochets into each stitch. So let me just count. 1, 2, So yes, we're just putting 2 half double crochets into the 12 half double crochets that we made on the first round. And you can put a stitch marker if you need to. One, 2, 3. Don't worry about if your hole is not closed because you can always pull that tight once you get finished with your bag. Now that you're done with round 2, you can always pull your hole closed. So now we're gonna slip stitch into the first half double crochet for round 3, and then we're just gonna do one more increase row. So we're gonna do 1 and then 2, same way if you were making a hat. 1 and then 2. 1 and then 2. 1 and then 2. You're just repeating all the way around. 1 I'm not cutting the video out. I'm just gonna work it with you guys. Okay, this is what it's looking like. And then we're going to slip stitch into the top. So now from here, we're just going to work a few rows until we reach our desired length. I will be switching to my t-shirt yarn. You don't have to switch to the t-shirt yarn, but that's just something I will do. If you want to skip past this, and let's see how many rounds we're gonna do. Let's do about 6, or let's do 8 rounds. So if you want to skip and go back, for this part, I am not going to leave. The video rolling. I'm just going to come back afterwards, but I will do this first row with you. And once again, we stopped the increase rows and we're just doing regular half double crochets all around. So we did 1, 2, 3. Now we're on our 4th round. And I'm just gonna keep going like normal all the way to the end. And then after this, I will come back once I'm at 8 rows. And then I'll show you how we're going to close up the bag. Okay guys, so I'm done with row 4. So now I'll be back once I'm done with my 7 rows that I have to do, because we already did the first row. Okay guys, now that you have your 8 rows, I use my t-shirt yarn. You don't have to. We're going to slip stitch into the last round. Altogether, you should have 12 rows. So you're going to slip stitch into the next round. And then we're going to get our yarn needle. And you're going to see that I started weaving in through the top row, the last row. So that way we can make the pouch scrunch up at the top. And you will see that soon. Once again, you do not have to use t-shirt yarn. I decided to. I wanted it to look a little different. You can add a lining in here. You can put your lip gloss in here. You can put some coins if you line it in the bottom. Pill bottles, as you can see it. I will show you anything you want. Even if you want to have this on your craft table and just drop some stitch markers in there, you can do that as well. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And then at the end, if you would like to weave in your ends, you can. That's up to you. You can go in from whatever way you want to. I decided to go in from the front. And I just looked and seen. You could go in from wherever you decide. It's all up to you if you want it to be scrunched up and come out the sides, whatever. It's up to you. So I'm just going to put the t-shirt yarn on the yarn needle. And then I'm just going to go in between and go back and forth. So behind, in front, behind, in front. And that's going to give you the scrunched up look for your mini pouch. And you just pull it through, do a couple, pull it through, do a couple, pull it through, and then you will be done with your project. You can make it as short or long as you want it. I decided to leave the strings a little long, tie it up. You can add decoration if you want to, whatever you want to do. If you want to make this your little yarn pouch, you can carry some things with you or throw some thread in there. That's up to you. But thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe and stay tuned for stay tuned for the next video. I will be posting my vlog, so stay tuned for that. Let me know if you would like to see any more mini crochet tutorials, small projects, beginner friendly. This worked up really fast. It was really easy, and this is a good practice project. So thank you guys for watching.
come again.